Do you know many people are having trouble with activating the correct mode on their DeWalt DCN680 stapler? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate switch. Locate the small selector switch on the left side of your DeWalt DCN680 stapler, positioned at the top. Step 2. Activate bump mode. Slide the switch to the triple nail icon position. This will activate the bump mode, ideal for rapid nailing. Step 3. Select sequential mode. For more precise work, slide the switch to the single nail icon position to turn on sequential mode. Step 4. Fire in bump mode. In bump mode, press and hold the trigger while pressing the trip against the surface for quick firing. Step 5. Use sequentially. In sequential mode, fully press the stapler's nosepiece against the surface before pulling the trigger for each nail. By now, you should be equipped to easily switch between bump and sequential modes on your DeWalt DCN680 stapler. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other DeWalt users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.